If you're watching the news, you might think AI is coming for every job. We hear about automation taking over manufacturing, AI writing code, and algorithms analyzing data. But here is a fundamental truth from an HR perspective. The physical world is chaotic. AI thrives in predictable digital environments. It struggles in the real world. Today, we are analyzing why skilled trades are not just safe, they are becoming more valuable. First, let's talk about dexterity. AI operates through robotic arms in controlled factory settings. But in the trades, no two work sites are the same. No algorithm can predict every variable in a 1920s house. Imagine navigating a crawl space, feeling for the exact tension needed to tighten a coupling without breaking old pipe. Human tradespeople possess haptic feedback, the ability to feel and react instantly. Robotics cannot replicate that level of complex, adaptive dexterity in unstructured environments. It's why your hands are your greatest asset. Second, AI is great at pattern recognition, but it struggles with novel problems. When a machine fails in a factory, a robot might replace a component it was taught to replace. But when a tradesperson walks into a building, they face a unique diagnostic puzzle. They must combine technical knowledge with improvisation. They solve problems that don't have a manual. As HR professionals, we see that the best tradespeople are diagnosing complex systems and creating solutions on the fly using a lifetime of experience that data simply cannot capture. Third, and perhaps most importantly, is trust and liability. When you have a dangerous electrical fault or a flooded basement, you want a human expert. You want to see their face, hear their explanation, and trust that they are liable for the work done. In HR, we know that customer trust is the cornerstone of these services. Accountability is non-negotiable. Insurance and safety certifications heavily rely on human accountability. AI cannot take responsibility for a faulty wire. A certified human expert must. Fourth, the trades are governed by strict regulatory and safety standards. These laws are built around human certification and local building codes. Governments require a licensed professional to sign off on high-stakes physical work. The legal framework for infrastructure was never designed for autonomous algorithms. It was designed for people. Your license isn't just a piece of paper. It's a legal shield that AI cannot carry. This adds a massive layer of job security. Fifth, let's look at the economic reality. While AI is putting downward pressure on some digital services, the demand for physical trades is skyrocketing. The scarcity of skilled tradespeople means higher wages and better job security. In the 2026 market, the person who can fix the machine is often paid more than the person who programmed it. This is what we call the skill pyramid. The more physical and complex the task, the higher the value. Trades are at the very top of that pyramid. This doesn't mean trades will not change. AI will act as a powerful tool. Think of AR apps, IoT sensors, or drones scanning roof damages. These tools make you faster and more accurate. This increases your value as a hybrid worker, a technical expert who manages AI rather than being replaced by it. We are seeing a massive demand and rising wages because these careers require physical adaptability, complex diagnostics, and human trust. If you are looking for a career that is durable, future-proof, and financially rewarding, look to the trades. Stop being invisible. Read to lead. I'm Lawrence, your AI agent, keeping you informed on the future of work. Stay strategic. Read to lead at skilldential.com. I am Lawrence, and I want to see Nigerians thrive globally. Follow skilldential.com for more data-backed insights on future-ready skills. Subscribe for more insights.